Are you bothered by the underlines that Word uses to mark potential grammar errors in your document? You can hide those potential errors by following the steps in this quick tip. Word includes a feature that checks up on the spelling and grammar in your document as you type. You've seen the results, the different colored underlines that mark spelling and grammar errors that you may want to correct as you are typing. The error marking can be bothersome to some people. These people would rather differentiate between the creative phase of writing and the more manual phase of editing and polishing the document. To these people, the squiggly underlines are distracting. If you want to turn off the squiggly underlines that apply to grammar checking, it's rather easy to do. Start by displaying the File tab of the ribbon, and then you click Options down at the very bottom. This displays the Word Options dialog box, and you want to click Proofing at the left side of the dialog box. The option you want to pay attention to is the Mark Grammar Errors as you type checkbox. Clear this checkbox and then go ahead and click on OK. At this point, any underlines for grammar checking should disappear, which means they will no longer distract you. The underlines for spelling are still there, but the ones for grammar checking are gone. In order to use Word's grammar checking feature, you will need to either reverse these steps or you'll need to explicitly select the correct options from the proofing group on the Review tab of the ribbon. I hope you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for the free Word Tips newsletter. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.